Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Remember us? We used to film YouTube videos and stuff. It's been a minute. We've been busy. We got a few things dropping, but still want to fix the lights in here. We got a few things dropping, but I want to give you kind of an update on why we hadn't been doing our 2 videos a week like normal. Kind of a win. Phone's going off. Kind of a put that on vibrate. You think I'd learned that by now? Kind of a little winter update. It is the weekend of Thanksgiving, so wanted to walk around the shop, tell you what we got going on. We're gonna crank some cars up, and yeah. So it's time to prep for winter. We haven't had much time to be down here. I'm actually in the other shop today, so is Jeremy, doing some woodwork. As you know, he's just got moved into his house. So I haven't actually showed it to you yet. I mentioned I've been renovating my parents' old house. We just started moving into it, or got moved into it. So our first night Monday. So we've been neglecting the shop. We've really been neglecting hunting. I've got a hunting video dropping, hopefully, maybe before you see this. Today it's time to get the cars ready for winter. I'm going to give you a quick walk around, kind of update some stuff. I like to put Sta-Bil or some sort of fuel stabilizer. I got the 360 this time. No particular reason. It's just what we had in stock. I got some B12 chem tool as well, just for some of the stuff I think needs some treatment in it. And a handy dandy antifreeze tester. She got driven this year quite a bit. We took her on her honeymoon, put a couple thousand miles on it. It felt good to have her out. She actually was out once. Went to the Pharaohs show in it. JD won his trophy. Trim always comes off. So it's been out once. I need to get it out more, but maybe next year. Pontiac, it's just sitting there, unfortunately. It's kind of next on the project list, but it needs a lot of stuff. I don't really want to just get it running for the sake of getting it running. I want to go fuel injection. Got some cool stuff planned for this, but it's down the road. We're actually, hopefully here in a few days, going to move it over there so it's out of the way and kind of can hibernate nicely in the corner. The Shelby's back. If you saw the video, we got the new wheels on it finally. Got the new clutch in it. What else? Some rear control arms. Still got a little bit of noise in the shifter. I took it back once, and it's I don't know what, something's not lining up right or something. So hope it's not the throw up bearing. It kind of sounds like it. At this point, I'm just going to drive it. Pontiac, as you can see here, that's our G8 Hot Rod Power Tour list. The G8 is gone. Sold it. Sent it up to Ohio. Really loved the car. Had a lot of fun with it, but it was never meant to be a keeper, and it was turning into one, so it was time for it to go. I needed the room. It's gone. So I regret it a little bit, but it is what it is. Pontiac hadn't been out. I've got to get it out next spring. I said that this spring. I'm actually going to get a battery for it this weekend and crank it, maybe flip it around, blow the dust off of it. I got to get this thing out and drive it, period. S197, she's good to go. Been driving it a little bit. I'd like to drive it some more, actually. So one good thing about the new house is I actually don't have to go up a big, huge gravel driveway up on the mountain, so I can actually drive this stuff home, so I can drive it to work and back, which will be nice to get them out even all winter and enjoy them. The Celine, man, I really fell in love with this thing. Me and JD took it to the Toys for Tots show the other day. We took it uptown to the Pharaohs show. Such a blast to drive. This thing's just a rocket ship. It's probably my favorite car I've got right now. Lightning, she's good. She's mint. She's chilling, ready for action. Could use some tires probably, but those are getting a little age on them. But she's ready to go. Go-karts. Might actually see these soon. Got a third one over there somewhere. Paige is wanting to get them going. The kids, this one's kind of collectible. They're actually both kind of collectible, so I don't really want them messed up. I need this room though. We're having a huge yard sale in the spring. You can see all those boxes back there are yard sale boxes. They're kind of taking up shop room. My basement's jacked up with them, and I need this room to put some more until the yard sale. So we're going to clean this out soon. As soon as we get rid of some projects I'll show you in a minute in the middle shop. We're going to try to get these go-karts down there and maybe get them running. I got the Davey Allison. This is a Corvette one. You recognize this body, you Corvette guys. They made these for dealer giveaways back in the day. This is actually a repop. My dad let the body that he had, the original, some copies get made. That is one of them. This is actually an original body here. Piles of crap on it. and under it is a C3 Corvette. I'd really like to get into these and get them going for the kids to ride and for us to ride and to make content with. I hear they have a big YouTuber go-kart race. That'd be cool to go to. But yeah, let's head outside and see what else we can find. And outside you'll see, hey Jeremy.
Overweight, middle-aged, balding.
Single ladies, he is single.
Yeah.
Future YouTube star.
Yeah, better watch out.
You got skills, look at these skills.
Yeah, I can paint with a can.
Yeah. We paint your car like that too if you want.
I did it one time.
Been known to.
What are you talking about? It was one of the best paint jobs we ever had.
Probably was. I remember the time you painted down with a gun.
Yeah. We went back to cans.
Yeah. My dad said I'd buy him all the cans he wants, but don't ever let him paint with that spray gun. I bought him again.
Yep, that's what happened.
So these projects are why you haven't seen any YouTube videos. Because we've been busy home improvement and building shit. Repurposing some old furniture. This is something he's building to house some cool shit, because he's pretty handy. I'm redoing some nightstands. Paxton's working on JD's Jeep, because future YouTuber in the making. The old Fox body's still stuck on the lift. Have I showed you this? Why it's on the lift? It hasn't come down, and we haven't videoed it. The cable's off. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. Yeah, shop's looking pretty clean though, so that's a plus. Probably get popped for this music. I got popped the other day. Jeremy was welding and had music playing and it copyrighted us, so that's dumb. Grizzly's about to make a return. She's got the parts she needs there. Got the new meats on her. Battery's 100% it says. By the way, this Viking battery charger is awesome. Trying to still get organized down here. We've got it close, but ready to hopefully film some stuff in here next spring. It's been a work in progress. Everything's kind of been a work in progress, but we're getting there. I know if you watched all everything from shelves we made. We don't really do much video on the carpentry stuff because it really doesn't match our followers, I guess. We probably should, but we don't. Yeah, I told them we were going to get popped again.
Yeah. We're making these videos and sacrificing all of our money so you guys can hear the tunes in the background.
Yeah, we're just really too lazy to turn it off.
There's that.
There's that. Got the El Camino out here, still as far as we got her. She needs a gas line. We're going to fix that soon?
I mean, we've been talking about
that video did drop. Did you watch the video the other day?
No, I ain't had a chance. I seen that drop though.
Yeah, it did drop finally. She's looking pretty rough. She needs to go inside. Got the Dodge. She's still chilling. She's when are we fixing that?
I don't know. Tell them how your shop truck's doing this morning. Oh, okay.
Can I say that?
Great. Now you're gonna have to beat that out.
Well, we got the paint job done, kinda. Look at my eBay Find Carpet sticker. Ain't that some bull?
It's pretty rough.
I know.
It's only been on there like 2 weeks.
I know, but it was from the 80s. So we're trying to get this to the Ferris show, and I was gonna drive it around the block, look, I unhooked the battery. And it didn't crank. And then I get out here. What?
Did you do that?
No, it was on there.
Well, somebody else tried to paint like you. Oh.
Look at this shit. That's where the smokes was coming from.
Oh, well, first of all, I ain't got hardly any wires. Oh, wow.
I know.
Yeah, we're going to
I thought that's what it sounded like, but it was just wasn't turning the starter fast. I mean, a butt connector would be nice right there.
Well, they didn't use a big enough gauge wire either.
Oh, wait. Where's the
This whole video is going to be beeps. I've heard 37 cuss words.
Why is that even on there?
Nobody knows. It's a ground for something.
But it's got this brain. They've got this. Ford's got this brain box.
Huh? I said this was a ground for something.
That's not even hooked up.
I know. Obviously, it was at some point. They had something hooked up, and this was where they got the ground for it.
Huh.
Nobody knows what, though.
Nobody knows.
Listen, she's an old shop truck.
Yeah, it'd be nice if I wanted to run once.
It did. One time.
Yeah.
Does that look like it was
on fire?
Yeah.
Was it probably fucking
wow,
loose?
Dude.
What?
Them wires are. I feel that. That's loose. Bad. Like you can just. Yeah.
Oh hell. Oh, it's because they.
Oh, they pushed those on a nut instead
of.
That's probably why they're melted. They're probably okay.
We're gonna have to fix a couple things on this.
And here I thought my electrical skills were terrible.
I know. Looks like you've been wiring on this thing. Well, I didn't know.
Well, no, I ain't been wiring on it because it ain't burnt down yet.
That's true.
What is this?
That's extra.
What do you need it for?
You know.
This thing has about 37 flux capacitors.
It's about time for a 347 swap. Fresh wiring harness.
Yeah, that would be cool to throw a big old cam.
I know, a big monster in it. It'll have one day.
If nothing else, we could pull this one out and just slide an old junk cam in her.
Yeah, RV cam.
Let it just hit.
Mm-hmm. Now, there's a Jeep. It's still. I don't think I made a video on it in a while.
Did you tell me you posted it up for sale?
I didn't tell him that either.
Well, I don't even know if it's for sale right now.
Who knows? Sold the dually. There's that.
Yeah, somebody commented, one of y'all commented the other day about how nice the truck was, and I didn't even want to break your heart and tell you it was gone.
That was Travis from SCT Performance.
Well, did you tell him it's gone?
No, I didn't want to break his heart.
Here we are.
Here we are. Look at that high dollar suspension under that unit.
I see that. You reckon that'll fix the popping of the front?
No. I gotta find the keys earlier. I was gonna drive her out the road and see what's happened.
I need to drive it. I might do that in a little bit.
She's a beast. Well, anyway, that's why we haven't been working, because we've been working on that house and that house. But soon we'll be back with bi-weekly double videos, however you say that. 2 a week. Is that bi-weekly?
Bi-week would be every other week.
Dual weekly.
Yeah.
We got some cool stuff in that shop, but we can't show you because one of the youngins might watch it.
They can't watch the videos.
For Christmas.
Secret.
We're gonna make some cool videos out of that.
Now Aiden's gonna watch this video and he's gonna be down here trying to.
Probably. He ain't got the attention span to make it this far in one of our videos.
That's true. That's very true. I don't either.
Like father, like son. Anyway, there you have it. There's your shop update. I'm gonna go crank some cars, and after you get done listening to that, hit that like button, subscribe, all that good jazz. We'll see you.
Will Seeins is not even your line.
It's been so long.
The only thing we have planned out.
Oh gosh, YouTubing's hard. Y'all be pretty.
Will Seeins.